So let's get started from the floor plan. So first of all, we have to upload our file, a floor plan. Browse from your computer and select it. Make sure it's a JPEG or PNG format. So once you load it, it will come over here in a preview window, and you need to just hit this render floor plan button and just go down and hit generate button once. It will start the process. So the render is done. As you can see, it's showing on your right side. Let's see the full screen. It's like that. Let's download it and see on the full screen. So this is what it does. As you can see, it's so nice, so clean. Now we will do isometric floor plan. So in that thing, you need to upload your floor plan again. In this case, we will keep this plan and select this isometric floor plan option. Just select it and hit render. So guys, the one you have done is it will automatically come in your render history over here, and you can download, you can just delete, or you can, if you want to see, you can see it again here. So it will stay there for you. So our isometric floor plan is ready. As you can see over on the right side, you see sometime, you know, uh, sometime what happened, once we don't have the space on the right side, if you can see on once you have a plan which does not have this space on the all over the plan, let's as you can see here, does not have the space to rotate the model, right? As you can see here, so the AI cannot rotate itself or zoom out itself and show you proper 45 angle degree, because it does not have a space to rotate and zoom out. So it cannot do it itself. So what you need to do, if once if this kind of result come and you're not happy, and it says it's like it's not like 45-degree angle, and you're not happy with the result, what you can do, you can go in edit render. Same, once the render finish, go to edit render and just scroll down, and in the prompt area just say zoom out and rotate it 45-degree right side. Yeah, you can say right, and apply changes. So you need to give instruction that you need to zoom out. Once you zoom out, so you will get more space on all over. You understand what I'm saying, right? So once you zoom out, you have more space, then you can easily rotate to 45 angle. In reality also you can do it, you can do same thing. So what AI will do, it will zoom out and make it 45-degree, exactly like what isometric view is all about. Let's see what happened. So guys, so here we go. We have perfectly isometric 45-degree angle. And if you want to see the whole thing, it's like that. If you want to download, let's download and see the full resolution. Let's see the result. Is it cool? Right? Okay. So what we have covered here, we covered our floor plan options, floor plan and isometric. Now we will move to our quick template sketch to render. Now we will move to our quick template sketch to render area, which is this one. For this thing, we will need to upload our sketch. So let's browse our computer and select the file. I just download this file from the internet for the tutorial purpose, right? And once you load the file, you go here quick template sketch to render, and press this button, interior day, whichever you like, dusk or light. For now we will go for the interior day. Select it and go down and generate render, and let's see. So guys, render is done. As you can see, it's here. Now we will see the full file. You can see here. You can download, and let's see the whole image. See that? Is it nice? And now what we will do, we will try this as a nighttime. Okay, so it's a similar thing. Is if you want to similar file in make in the night, is you can keep it load here, and you go simply go and press this interior night, right? And once you select, go and generate render. So guys, the nighttime render is ready. As you can see here, it's render in a nighttime now. I hope you like it. Now let's move to our next next tool, which is quick template raw construction. I want to add something. If let's suppose you don't like the result from from the template, especially from the sketch to render, right? And you if you want another kind of result, what you can do, you can select the render, just click on it. Once it's load here, go down to our custom rendering here. It says render mode. Select photorealistic. Select any of the lighting you want. Let's suppose if I say, for the sake of tutorial, let's compare. We can say natural daylight. Okay, it's come from the window. We can say midday, clear, DSLR of course 100%, and just don't add anything, just hit render, because the way we have prompting inside this system is already very nice. So let's do a generate render. Hit one time. So guys, render is done. As you can see, it's give you a different result, different textures, and on the sofa, and a different environment. So whatever you like it, if you like from the custom, if you like from the quick template, it's up to you. But I just want to show you how the result is little different from each other. Whatever you like it, you can use from your presentation. So we are moving to our next section, which is quick template raw construction. For this one, you need to go uh, cross this file, and let's upload a new file for this one. Raw construction, let's suppose this file. So this is the raw construction area. Any image you can select, or from your home or from any other area, you can load on the system. Go to quick template raw construction area and press the daytime and generate render. As you can see, how beautiful it's looking, right? It's just changed everything in this render. Wow. So if I show you, this is what it does. See, let's download this. See this one. How nice it is, right? And if you want to see compare what was that and what we have now, it's like that. Is it nice? All right. So as a similar thing, you can go the night also, and you can test it yourself. Now moving on, our next area, which is single furniture floor plan view. All right. So what that thing, similar thing you need to do is just upload your file. Let's me Let me upload that file for you. Let's suppose if I have this armchair loaded here, it's like that, and go to this area, single furniture floor plan view. Let's do a top view in a 3D way. Just press one and generate render. So as you can see, we have a top view of this armchair. Let's do a 2D view for that one. For this one, you can press this button, 2D top view, and generate render. See, so now it's generated 2D view as a top view, right? Does it look nice? All right. Now we will move to our next section, which is photo to sketch. Okay, let's suppose if we have, um, let's up- let's upload the file. Um, let's turn this thing into sketch. The render I have done before this one. So load into the system like this. Go down where it says photo to sketch. Press this button and generate render. As you can see, it's convert into the in a sketch format. If I show you a bigger scale, it's like that. All right. So guys, one thing I want to show you. Let's suppose if you select this render which you have already done, just click on it, and as you can see, we have once you go on top, you can see we have some option here, right? Which I already explained you in a previous. One thing I want to show you this one is this: we have edit render. You can change the sofa fabric, you can change this one, you can remove this one, you can add anything what you want, which you can select from the brush and select this area and say that remove this thing, it will remove. You can want to add something, it will add something else. And if you want anything, you can say it here, like from here you can say custom texture you want to add from the wall. You have select the wall. As you can see, I select the this paint this monogram, and you can say remove this one, it will remove it. If you want to put another color of the wall, you can say you can select the wall and say anything color from here. If you want to change the fabric, you want to change the carpet, you can select change the floor. You can say you can do each everything on this in this dialog. There's a video of this whole thing. I already explained everything. You can watch that video, and it's really helpful for you. So now we will move to our custom rendering area, which is our render mode, where we have photorealistic, artistic, enhance, and upscale, and material repaint. So we will focus on photorealistic, which is our custom rendering area, and I'll explain you all those options with the prompt, and we will do a test render, right? So for this one, we will upload our sketch. Let's suppose if we have this sketch, upload it. It's something like this, and go down, select photorealistic, lighting. We will say like um, natural window light. You can have you can take any light you want, but I'm going for the neutral window light. Midday, I would say clear weather. We have cloudy, foggy, and rainy, and we say DSLR as a camera. We can go full, and I have a custom prompt with me. Let's paste it here and hit render, and let's see. So guys, you're not locked into the custom templates. You can do your own prompting also. You can say any weather, it will render as you want. So you're not locked to any, any template here. So now, as you can see, it's rendered so beautifully. I'm amazed now. Look at that. Let's download and see the whole resolution. Look at that. Is it nice? All right. So how was how was our sketch, and this is our render. So now what we will do, I will show you some another thing. Let's suppose if you have a artistic render, right? So by the way, you can explore your own ambient lighting, warm evening, bright daylight, spotlight. You can test it yourself, right? And you can sunset, you can say night also. So if I go in artistic, and let's say if I have watercolor, let's say watercolor, and color is vibrant, and just delete this prompt because we have already system prompting already here. So so what it will do, it will take the similar thing, right, similar sketch. It will go in this system artistic render. It says watercolor vibrant, and we will generate render. Let's see. So nice. So guys, see, this is the watercolor we have done. See, see how nicely it's done. So we have like a oil painting, sketch, anime style, comic. We have a lot of preset over here. You can try it yourself. And as I show you, you can put your own instruction also. You can see your negative prompt also. If you want to add your own material you can do it, but material mostly you can add in our edit render. This is more powerful area. I find this more powerful than this one, but this is the custom area, where you can put your own prompting, your timing of the day, your own weather, your own prompt. You can control everything on this area. Plus you have the templates, which is give you quick result, and with the floor plan and the other tool. I think this, to make this um, interior design studio is a very very powerful tool for the interior designer and the architect to give presentation to their client. So guys, hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and check out our website. All right, thank you so much. Yeah, one more thing, if you have any question, we have WhatsApp. We have you can send us email, comment under the YouTube. We will answer it as soon as possible, but the WhatsApp we will answer immediately. All right, thank you.